Alrighty guys, Riley here with Northwest Safe. Today we're gonna be looking at a direct-to-consumer product here. This is gonna be the MyCube Safe. Let's take a peek at her. Yeah. She's not too heavy. I think when I was looking at it, this guy weighs in right around 35 pounds is what she comes out to. And this is their in-drawer version. So they have a couple different products, but this is the one that's designed to be put inside of a drawer and then top open. So she comes all styrofoamed up here. Oh, and she sprung right open for me. She'll get you. Okay, so looking at the front here, this is their touch series. So this is a biometric option as well as a screened push button. I believe you can do 10 fingerprints on this individual product. You lift up the top here. We got a little plate steel door here. No fire insulation on this guy. Feeling it, I think you're right around 1/8" steel on the body is what I saw. You have these two locking bolts. It's got these little pistons in here. I believe that's the appropriate term for it. Something around there. Okay, and then it comes with, looks like here's your batteries where they go. Looks like a handful of AA's in there. It looks like you gotta do 4 AA's. This guy pops back in here. Comes with, looks like here, that's just a little tag of sorts. Let's see what we got in this little kangaroo pouch here though. This kind of looks cool. Good marking on her. So this appears to be some mounting hardware. On this safe, it looks like you got bolt down holes through the back here. It's got kind of a nice little velour here at the bottom. And then it looks like you can also bolt it down through the bottom as well. I'm guessing these spare parts here, it appears that these probably are for the back of the door there. We got some big old keys. Let's see, I wonder where you throw those guys. I'm guessing probably behind this thing. Where's the key go in this guy? Let's look. Nothing in the front. In the side, I don't see anything. We'll look, maybe this faceplate pops off. We'll get into the instructions here in a second and see if we can't find what that goes to. And then we got our AA's in here. Let's look and see if we can't find where that key goes in at. I'm guessing that lock probably just pops off somehow. In here we have the different collections, so you can get a variety of different trays if you want to store jewelry. It looks like there's some ammunition stored in there as well, some flash drives. They make a little fire resistant bag, it looks like, some watch winders. They have shelf safes, this is their drawer safe, and then floor safes as well. Okay, this is all the password. Let's see if we can't get to where that key would be. When batteries, remove the backplate with the logo from the keypad. Okay, so on this guy, it looks like that battery, that key, comes in somewhere here. It says keyhole. All right, so it appears as though the keyhole is gonna be right in here. You're about to see a feature of Christian's hand come up and open the key for you, right there. And yeah, keys go right in there. You got there's your touchpad and your biometric. Yeah, the old MyCube In-Drawer Safe. It looks pretty tall. I feel like you'd have to have a pretty decent sized drawer to fit this in. But it looks like a decent quick access option. We'll play around with the biometric a little bit and see what we think of it. But yeah, that's the MyCube In-Drawer Safe.